Hello. Today I'm using the Rockwell 6C with the number 1 plate. See what this guy can do with a number 1 plate, and I'm putting in one of my favorite blades that I use in my Merkur 34C, which is the Gillette Silver Blue. Now I already have it loaded in here, so we're good to go. So let me put some water on my face. And I'm using Taylor of Old Bond Street again. So, I'm gonna put yay much in my, handy dandy shave bowl here. I think I've used every plate on this Rockwell 6C. The only plate I haven't tried is the number 1 plate. And I don't know, I have 2 days of growth here. So I'm not sure if it's going to go through it or not, but we're going to find out. All right, so I got some of this lathered up, and I'm thinking might be able to get it in 2 passes. We'll see. Either I get a good lather on it and just, go for it. Quick lather on that Taylor of Old Bond Street. Calling that good. Yeah, I'm gonna go across the growth on the first pass, and then I'm gonna try to go against the growth. So let's give this its first shot here. Don't really feel much. It pulled something off. Wow. Feels like it's pulling nothing off, but it's removing it. All right, cross grain over here. Wow, that's I don't even feel it on my face. And it's smooth. Pretty good. Okay, on my neck, I think I'm gonna go against the grain twice. I gotta tell you, it's slicing right through it. Better than the Merkur 34C. Hello. That's pretty good. Let me give this a rinse. Okay, I still feel it. You can hear it too. Let's see what the second pass can do. And the second pass, against the green. You can barely feel that razor. I mean, barely. See what I'm doing here. Oh boy. Definitely had way too much soap for this shave. Rockwell 6C number 1 plate, Gillette Silver Blue, my personal favorite, and against the grain. Here we go. Wow, you really have to pay attention the angle of this razor on this 1 plate, because yeah, it doesn't take much off. So, and it feels good. It feels like just run a safety razor over your face without a blade in it. It feels pretty good. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, against the growth. Still some there. Interesting. But it's silky smooth against the growth down here. Okay. Wow, it's yeah, that's interesting. It's mild. Let me rinse this off. Okay, so got some there. Got some there. There's a little bit everywhere. It's not BBS. I don't think that that blade is sharp enough to get at BBS. So yeah, I mean, I think a level 2 plate would be perfect. So you know, maybe the next shave I'll use the level 2, but the level 1 plate, it's definitely easier on your face than a Merkur 34C. Just learned that today. In my past shaves, I thought the number 2 plate was compatible with the Merkur 34C. So, you know, if you're just starting out on this and you want to, you know, get a razor, still one hell of a choice for this guy. This Rockwell 6C with a 1 plate, it's more mild than a Merkur 34C. So, I mean, I was having to press pretty hard, and you know that normally causes, you know, skin irritation. So yeah, let me run an alum block over this, and let's see if there's even any irritation whatsoever. Nothing up here. Yeah, there's no stinging whatsoever. What a very, very mild blade. Let me rinse this off and I'll put on some shaving balm. Yeah, this Nivea is a must. If it's not Nivea, it's gotta be something. Taking that safety razor across your face, it's sharper than your average, you know, disposable. So, review on this. My conclusion, hey, if you want the most mild blade you can buy, or razor, I would buy the Rockwell 6C with the number 1 plate. Very smooth, no skin irritation, and I was pressing pretty hard. But yeah, great razor. I would probably step it up to a 2 and, you know, to get BBS. But to prove a point, 2-day shave, it took it down enough to where, you know, it's acceptable. It's like, you know, when I was using the disposable razors, kind of like what it would leave. All right, well, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.